Here is another example on conversion of whole numbers in base 4 to base 10. Let's convert 1003 base 4 to base 10. Solution. Write out the number 1003 base 4. Then you number the digits from the back, starting from 0. What's the last digit here? 3. So we start our numbering from there with 0, 1, 2, 3. Now we solve. Equals, pick the first digit, 1, multiplied by the base, 4, raised to the power of the numbering on that digit, which is 3 here, plus, we did the same process for the next digit, which we have as 0 here. So we have 0 multiplied by the base, 4, raised to the power of the numbering we have on top, 2, plus the next digit, 0, multiplied by the base, 4, raised to the power of 1, the numbering we have on top there, plus the next digit, 3, multiplied by the base, 4, raised to the power of the numbering on top, 0. Then we simplify further. So here we have 1 multiplied by 4 raised to the power of 3. Let's do that at the side. 4 raised to the power of 3. That means 4 times 4 times 4. 1, 2, 3. 3 places. So 4 times 4, that's 16. 16 times 4, that gives us 64. So that means 4 raised to the power of 3 here is 64. Plus 0 multiplied by 4 raised to the power of 2. That means 4 multiplied by 4. 1, 2. 2 places. 4 times 4 here is 16. So 4 raised to the power of 2 is 16. Plus 0 multiplied by 4 raised to the power of 1. That's just 4. Plus 3 times 4 raised to the power of 0. 1. And it is 1 because anything raised to the power of 0 will give us 1. So we have equal to 1 multiplied by 64, 64, plus 0 multiplied by 16, 0, plus 0 multiplied by 4, 0, plus 3 multiplied by 1, 3. So let's add. 64 plus 0, that's 64, plus 0, 64, plus 3, 67. Base 10. And that's how to convert whole number in base 4 to base 10. Thank you.